Good day, everyone. I'm here again. This is the FixProfit channel, and that means you'll soon be able to make money as quickly and efficiently as I do. Yes, right now you can pick up my trusty robot assistant for free. The link is in the description. It gives me highly accurate signals on a daily basis. Hurry up, because in a month you will only be able to pick it up for a fee. Subscribe and click on the bell, comment and like. I will be very happy with your feedback and will continue to make you interesting videos and stories that will pump up your thinking. So, I entered the trade on a signal from FixProfit. I will enter each subsequent trade for the full amount of the deposit, in order to achieve a cool result as quickly as possible and show you the total amount. At the end of the work I will summarize the results. I started with just $1. Time frame 1 minute. The periodicity of data updates in the robot is also 1 minute. I accelerated the price movement to save your time. By the way, I would like to draw your attention to a few more pleasant moments. Together with the free bot you will get access to VIP chat with expert forecasts, and you will also get a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Promo code works on the first deposit. And now let's talk about an important topic. When tweets move markets, the role of social media in financial trends. Let's begin where all serious trading starts, smart money management. Before we talk viral trends, meme stocks, or how a TikTok post can flip a market, let's anchor ourselves in something far less flashy but way more powerful, money management. This is your seatbelt in the trading roller coaster. If you're ignoring it, no amount of market alpha will save you. Here's the golden rule. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit on a single trade. Let's make it practical. Got $100? Then trade $1. A win gets you about 80 cents. Got $1,000? Now it's $10 per trade, earning $8 on each win. With $10,000, that's $100 per trade, and you're banking $80 per successful trade. You're not increasing risk, you're scaling consistently. The system stays the same, your deposit just gives it power. So if you want real profits without emotional chaos, fund your account properly. Give your strategy room to breathe. Now, let's step into the real-time battlefield of the modern market. The new pulse of the market, social media. Once upon a time, market trends were driven by central banks, interest rates, and corporate reports. Now, a tweet can send an asset to the moon. Social media is no longer just a communication platform, it's a financial force. Think that's an exaggeration? Ask anyone who traded during the GameStop saga, born on Reddit's Wall Street bets. Elon Musk's tweets about Dogecoin, which made and wiped millions in minutes. Influencer hype around new crypto tokens that exploded overnight. But what's wild is that this isn't just about stocks or crypto anymore. Currency markets are starting to feel it too. How social media impacts currency pair trading. Here's how it works. Instant news, instant reactions. Before a news site finishes writing a headline, Twitter already knows. In the fast world of trading currency pairs, especially short-term trades, that time edge matters. You'll see USD JPY spike not because of an official press release, but because someone leaked a rate hike rumor on X, formerly Twitter. Sentiment swings from TikTok and Threads. Believe it or not, TikTok creators and finfluencers now influence how retail traders approach the market. A short video explaining why your USD is breaking out can trigger thousands of micro trades, nudging volume and momentum in the process. It's like a digital butterfly effect. A 15-second video causes a ripple. And suddenly, your chart is reacting in real time. Mass behavior, momentum. Retail traders, once isolated, are now connected. Reddit threads, Telegram groups, Discords, they're forming digital trading mobs. One strong opinion can create collective action. A rumor spreads, traders jump on a setup, and suddenly you're watching GBP, USD fly for no technical reason. That's social sentiment in motion. Friends, our channel is running a contest with a cool prize for one random comment. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose 2 winners using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. In the meantime, I've already closed several trades in the plus side, thanks to artificial intelligence. I'm moving very fast towards my goal. It's teamwork with a powerful neural network. This is a modern tool with which you will really start to earn. The passability of its signals is on average 80%. Look at the channel with reviews, how much people earn, the link in the description. Pop culture parallel. Remember the movie Inception? In Inception, ideas planted in the mind grew into powerful beliefs. One idea, if strong enough, could alter someone's reality. That's how financial trends work on social media. A single viral idea, USD will tank after the Fed's next move, or JPY is undervalued based on historical cycles, can spread across platforms and manifest into real price movement. Not because the fundamentals support it, but because enough people believe in it and act on it. Currency pair traders must adapt. If you're trading EUR, USD, GBP, JPY, or any major pair on options platform, you need to track more than the chart. You need to feel the social temperature of the market. Here's how you can leverage it. Use Twitter as a real-time news feed. Follow economic analysts, central bank watchers, and even journalists. Tweets often beat newswires. Monitor Reddit and Finfluencer hype. Wall Street Bets isn't just for stocks anymore. Currency chatter happens in smaller subs, and TikTok has become a hotbed for quick market insights. Sentiment tools. There are platforms now that scan social media and gauge sentiment toward currencies in real time. You're no longer trading alone, you're trading alongside collective emotion. The double-edged sword of social media influence. Let's be clear, this isn't always good. When social hype becomes irrational, it can lead to overtrading, false breakouts, liquidity traps, emotional decision-making. That's why your money management is your anchor. Because when the market gets loud and chaotic, your 1 to 2% rule keeps you from spiraling out. Social media can enhance your edge, but only if you combine it with logic, discipline, and proper risk. Real-world examples. When social media moved currency pairs. When Elon Musk tweeted support for Bitcoin, not only did BTC soar, the USD weakened short-term due to digital capital flow. During COVID news cycles, Twitter sentiment around lockdowns and travel bans caused spikes in AUD and JPY due to their commodity and safe haven status. When Trump tweeted about tariffs or trade tensions, you'd see immediate reactions in USD, CNY, EUR, USD, and even USD, CHF. It's not about whether you like it, it's about whether you're aware of it. Because ignoring social media in 2025 is like trading blindfolded in a hurricane. How you stay ahead. Use social sentiment as a filter, not gospel. Don't trade just because someone on TikTok said JPY is bullish. Use it as a signal to dive deeper. Combine what you see online with what's on your chart. If the crowd is screaming buy, but the trend is clearly down, maybe they're late, and you've got a reversal set up incoming. Journal your social trades. If you trade based on a Twitter idea or Reddit post, log it. See if these crowd-based trades work for you or against you. Control your emotions. When markets get viral, they get volatile. That's when your discipline matters most. Guys, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. I will continue to prepare for you important, useful, informative materials that will pump your thinking. Put likes and write comments, I will be very happy with it. In the meantime, the robot helped me once again with an accurate signal. 12 accurate predictions from FixProfit brought me $1,137. I remind you that I started with just $1. More to come. See you soon.